اللهم أنت ربي لا إله إلا أنت. O Allah, you are my Lord. There is no God but you. خلقتني وأنا عبدك. You have created me and I am your slave. وأنا على عهدك ووعدك ما استطعت. And I am keeping my promise and covenant to you as much as I can. أعوذ بك من شر ما صنعت. I seek refuge with you from the evil of what I do. أبوء لك بنعمتك علي. I acknowledge your blessing. وأبوء بذنبي. And I acknowledge my sin. فاغفر لي فإنه لا يغفر الذنوب إلا أنت. So forgive me, for there is none who can forgive sin except you. أنت أنت أنت. These three words mean you or your, and they are separate personal pronouns. ضمائر منفصلة. أنت ربي. You are my Lord. لا إله إلا أنت. There is no God but you. لا يغفر الذنوب إلا أنت. There is none who can forgive sin except you. أنا أنا. I am. These two words are separate personal pronouns. ضمائر منفصلة. وأنا عبدك. I am your slave. وأنا على عهدك ووعدك. I am keeping my covenant and promise to you. عهدي. Covenant. وعدي. Promise. ك and ك. These four letters mean you or your, and they are attached pronouns. ضمير متصل. عبدك. Your slave. أعوذ بك. I seek refuge with you. لك. To you. نعمتك. Your blessing. ربي. ذنبي. لي. The suffix attached to each of these words, e, the sound e, means my or me, and it is an attached pronoun. ضمير متصل. ربي. My Lord. ذنبي. My sin. لي. To me. خلقت. You created is in the past tense. فعل ماضي. خلقتني. You created me. The ni means me. أعوذ. أبوء. يغفر. These three words are all in the present tense. فعل مضارع. أعوذ. I seek refuge. أبوء, I acknowledge. يغفر, he forgives.